In today's video, we're going to show you more updates on my parents' home renovation. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Here I share decorating and home organization tips. Now if you like this kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now, today's video, as we said, we are sharing more of the updates on my parents' home. Now, guys, they started working, and I'm so excited. But what I did was I took a clip of some of the work, and then the others are pictures. So I hope you don't mind and just enjoy this short video. If you want to explore more, why don't you check out one of these videos I have listed here, and you be blessed.